Okay, so this is our volcano. This is the first and probably only test. We will have a mud flow and a tephra with the gases shooting up in just a minute.
These gases
Give
start.
us 1 second. And here we go.
And you see it's a volcano.
That's what's crazy.
That is good.
More.
You see the mud flow?
The mud flow is just flowing, and
these are poisonous gases. Get the gases.
And you see the gases rising. That's the ash falling.
Don't breathe it.
And the mud is still flowing, as you see, all the way down the volcano.
There's still gas in the air. That was dope, right?
And that's the project, man. That's pretty much it, guys. Cut.